A very good morning to all my dear students of class 7. Today is Monday. Last week we have completed our syllabus explanation of all the chapters from your literature book Living English, from your grammar book Elementary English Grammar and Composition, and also from your long reading text The Arabian Nights. So explanation of all the chapters are completed. Now before starting the revision work, I will discuss with you the exam pattern for the subject English in your half-yearly examination. Students, you will have 6 sections in the question paper. A, B and C, these 3 you will have to do in the exam portal as you have given Unit 1 examination. Understood? Section A, B and C, I repeat, you have to do in the exam portal as you have done in Unit 1 examination. In Section A, you will have 15 questions of 1 marks. All will be MCQ from English literature. There will be options, possibly 4 options for each questions, and you have to choose the correct one. You have to click the correct one. Understood, students? So section A, there will be 15 questions of 1 marks from English literature, which you have to click the correct option. Done. And for these students, you need to read the chapters thoroughly. You need to read the chapters of literature thoroughly. Okay? Next comes section B. Here also you will have 2 options for English grammar questions. You can have more options than 2 also. There will be questions, mostly fill in the blanks or tick the correct option or choose the correct option sorts of questions you will have in section B. 10 questions you will have. All will be for 1 marks. You have to choose the correct option. And if the space for type is provided, you will provide the typed answer there. Okay? It's mostly fill in the blanks sort of questions. You will have to type the answers, or you will have to follow the instruction. If it is type, then you will type. If it is write the whole sentence, whatever be that, you will do that. Follow the instruction and do that. But it is hoped that you will have 1 word fill in the blanks or choose the correct option sort of questions, which you will write or type in the space provided. Understood, section B? Next comes section C. Here you will have 2 marks questions, 5 2 marks questions you will have. It will be 1 sentence answers. It will be 1 sentence answers from literature. It will be 1 sentence answers from literature. You will see if, like the Unit 1 exam, the options are provided. In that case, you will choose the correct answer option and type it in the space provided. Don't do any mistake like previous one. Don't only copy A or B, or don't write in 1 word. Follow the instruction, whatever is given. That is 1 sentence answer and write it there. Understood? So section C, 1 sentence answer from English literature. You may have option. You may not have options. If you have options, choose and type. Whether you have the option or you don't have the option, read the instructions properly, follow the instruction and type it in the space provided. Done? Understood? So these 3 you will do in exam portal. As it is discussed by our online exam department, Mr. Shomo sir, and our principal ma'am also, it will be in the exam portal. I hope there is no confusion regarding this. Next is the pen paper section. Next is the pen paper section, which you have to write, take picture, snap of it and send it. How to do it? Detailed description will be given to you in your class WhatsApp group. Understood? Section D, E and F, whatever you have to do, detailed description will be given to you. Don't worry. Section D, you will have 5 types of grammar questions, each carrying 3 marks. Like 3 prepositions, 3 modals, 3 adjectives, 3 adverbs, okay? 3 convert the sentences, 3 questions from nouns. Like that, you will have 3 questions. You will have 3 questions in each type of questions. Like 5 types of questions will be there. Each type of question will carry 3 different questions. Okay, 1 into 3, 1 into 3, like that you will have 5 types of questions. Done. Section E, you will have English literature, where you will have 4 marks questions. 5. You will have 5 4 marks questions in section E. You will have 5 4 marks questions in section E. For that, you need to prepare the question answers of Arabian Nights and also the question answers of the Living English. Okay, you will try to write them in 40 words around. Don't write too much, write to the point, but don't write 1 sentence answer. You will have to write 3 or 4 sentence answers. Clear? Next comes section F, where you will have 2 5 marks questions. One is possibly from writing. Both the questions can be from writing section. You can have 1 letter, 1 message, or you can have 1 comprehension, 1 5 marks comprehension, 1 writing. One thing, keep it in your mind, students. Generally in exams you have options, but here you are not likely to have any option. Whatever question will be there, you have to answer all. Generally in English, possibly there won't be any option for any of the questions. Whatever questions will be there, you have to write them. Understood? So since your syllabus is completed, I thought of discussing the question pattern to you, and then I will start doing the revision work. I thought of discussing it with you because it's a new type of exam that you are going to give. So keep it in your mind. This portion, portal, in portal, this portion, pen and paper. Okay, now how to do it, how to take the snap, how to send it, everything will be given to you. Understood, students? I hope, and the exam duration will be 2 hours 30 minutes. Done? So let's prepare and let's hope for the best for half yearly exam. And after this, I will start giving you revision work. I hope you have understood. So bye for today. See you tomorrow.